Now let's work on the built-in grinder. So before we clean the grinder, here's what I like to do first. First, I like to change my grinder size to coarsest. So which means we're gonna go number 30 on my grind size. And then I like to run it. Okay, I like to run the grinder. As you can see, I have a dosing cup. It's empty. I'm just gonna start it right now. I'm just gonna tap it, okay? Okay, watch how much coffee beans are. As you can see, none come out. That's good. Okay, so now I like to move the top. Actually, power off, guys. Move the top, move the hopper. As you can see, you see a lot of coffee grinds there. Use the brush. Since we're not using the vacuum cleaner, if you have vacuum cleaner, a lot easier, but some of you does not have vacuum cleaner to suck out the coffee beans. Okay, just go like this, right? Now I'm gonna put back in the hopper one more time. Turn back on the grinder, on the machine. Okay, I'm gonna run it one more time. Just tap it again. You see a lot of grinds come out, as you can see from here. These are all stale coffee beans. Let's take a look one more time. Make sure shut the power off. It's much cleaner. Okay. At this point here, again, clean it well. And I'm gonna remove the inner burr. Go counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise. Just make sure, don't force it, just go nice and easy. Yeah, just like so. You see that all the old coffee grinds. Okay, just use a brush, just clean it. So this is the when time to check your inner burrs. Go through your finger. If you feel like it's getting dull, okay, it's not sharp anymore, which means it's a good time to replace your burrs. Okay, so now we're gonna put everything back in. Okay, before we're gonna put back in the inner burr, I'm gonna use my paper towel to just clean inside. Okay, just clean it well. Now you're gonna put back in the inner burr, just to make sure line with the arrow. Okay. And then you're gonna clockwise. You're gonna hear the clicking noise. If it doesn't want to click, take it out. Try this method. Okay, put back into your hopper without your burrs. Okay, try this. Put the hopper back in. Turn back on your machine. Get your dosing cup. I'm gonna start the motor. Okay. While I'm starting the motor, I'm going to start tapping action again. Okay, so like so. Just tap it. You see how much coffee grinds come out. Okay, let's take a look. Now it looks pretty clean as well. I mean, it doesn't need to be perfectly clean. Again, if you have a vacuum cleaner, it makes it a lot easier. But if you don't have vacuum cleaner, this is the best thing. Now I'm gonna put back in the burrs, and now you're gonna hear the click. There we go. Put back in your hopper. This is how you clean your Breville Express or Breville Vista Pro. Could be the Breville Vista Touch as well. Should be the same process. Again, if you don't have a vacuum cleaner, this is the best method to clean your built-in grinder. Again, if you have a vacuum cleaner, I mean, that's much easier, but this is next best thing. Brush, flathead, screwdriver for